buddy. It's already kind of nighttime, but we're going to still vlog. Are you still trying to open that? Dad's gonna need to use a knife. Anyway, my dad won tickets to a monster truck show off a radio station, and he gave them to us. So we are here at the same place that we brought Parker when he was 3 for his birthday for that cool car race. And we're gonna watch monster trucks this time.
I won the bet, by the way.
Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, there was no actual bet because you didn't bet anything. You didn't bet on anything. I bet, but you didn't. So I win automatically. Parker is passed out back there because he had a really early soccer game this morning. So yeah, babe, I think you just park wherever you can find parking.
Can't go in there.
No, but there, it looks like there's one right there.
They're like
they're directing us. Anyway, so never been to a monster truck show, so this should be fun.
Gosh,
You have? Oh, I've never been to one. So it should be fun. I'm excited. We have headphones for both the kids.
We'll just
because they're just, yeah, we're gonna go deaf, but it's okay. I think you probably could have gone
yeah, I'm gonna turn
down there.
Guys.
Oh yeah? So, it's gonna be fun. All right, we made it. There's the track.
I don't see him over there.
Parker's all ready. Buddy, you ready? Yeah? Give me thumbs up.
Or they could be over that way.
You ready?
Might not be able to see.
Yeah?
Can I have my things?
There's your headphones. Are you putting them on right now?
I don't know.
Are you taking your B-reel with them on?
Yeah, I'm gonna take my B-roll with. I'm gonna take my B-roll when they're like going around.
Oh, okay.
Probably gonna be jumping in.
Are you excited? Oh, look, there's like a car. Like, do you see the car? It's like stuck.
Actually, there's
a bunch of them. Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. Super cool.
Alright, I'm not going to sing because I want you guys to like me the rest of the night, but you all are going to sing this. So on the count of 3, we're going to sing happy birthday to all of our people who brought their party to us tonight. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to
Stop.
you.
Stop.
Happy birthday to
Stop.
you.
Stop.
Happy birthday, dear Katie. Happy birthday to you.
Should I stand up?
Oh. Aw.
Bye-bye.